Hello guys, welcome back to Ray's Gaming Guitar Productions, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to download all of your Visual C++ runtimes all at one time. So if you guys don't know what Visual C++ runtimes are, they're basically DLL files that are put inside of game folders or game files to make the game run better and be more compatible with your PC. So if you guys didn't know, there's different versions of Visual C++ runtimes. You'll have 2009, 2010, 2013, 2014, 15, and onwards. And basically, it's new updates for different games to make sure that they're compatible with older PCs and newer PCs. And if I'm wrong about anything, of course, you guys can correct me in the comments. But if you guys enjoy videos like this, please make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. And with all that being said, let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay guys, so we're here and you guys see that I am at techpowerup.com, Visual C++ redistributables runtimes, package all in one. And so basically, if you, by what you can see right here, there will be a batch file that goes into your command prompt and run all of these one by one. And like I said in the intro, as 2005, 2008, 2010, 12, 13, 15, 17, and 19. And I'm pretty sure that there is a 2022, but that's not out yet for us to put in here, which one day I will make an update on this video when that's actually possible. But for right now, I'm going to be showing you guys how to download all of the runtimes that are available right now. So what you need to do is go to this website. This website will be in the description. You go ahead and click on there and you'll be right where I am. Now press download, and once you press download, it'll bring you to this website. It says select server for download. Just pick whatever is closest to you. As you guys can see, it says Tech Power Up USS. That's the closest to me. Most of the time it shouldn't have too high of a load. This is the highest load I've seen in a while. Usually it says 1% or 2%, but that's fine. Just pick the one that's closest to you, and once you download it, then it should show up in your files. Now once you go here, you will see this WinRAR file. Now if you open it, WinRAR is right here, and then all you need to do is highlight all of these and then extract to your downloads. And then once it's there, then all you need to do is run this install all.batch, and one by one it will open all of these. Now of course you will need to be here because it needs you to answer a few things instead of just downloading everything, because they don't want to be in charge of anything happening to your PC. So they need you to make sure everything's correct and you say yes to everything that they need you to say yes to, of course. But as long as you're right there, it should automatically open all of them for you one by one. And as soon as you're done, of course, if you go to your control panel and then you go into uninstall a program, you should see, where is it? You should see all of them. And this is how you know that it has successfully opened and downloaded all of these runtimes and redistributables. And you guys can see it does say 2015 to 2022. So like I said, it does support 2022, but they don't actually have a individual one just for 2022 yet. But that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys ended up enjoying this video, please make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. And with all that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video.